used to bless a family, to bring happiness, peace, and joy to them, along with healing, blessing, and cleansing of family. Now, Psalms 98, it is to restore peace, you guys, to bless a home as well, but it's to restore the peace between two hostile families, okay? It's for peace and tranquility. If two families are actually at odds with one another, okay, you want to pray Psalms 98 to restore peace between the two families, okay? To bring peace and blessings to a home. That's what Psalms 98 is for. And then also, you can pray 96, 97, 98 Psalms together, because those three, they all deal with peace and tranquility and blessing to a home, bringing blessings to the home, okay? So even as I speak to y'all right now, God is speaking to me, even through me, like just teaching y'all. I'm telling you, like, sometime when I am about to get on here, I be having my own stuff in my mind, y'all, that I want to talk about, okay? And God will just shift it, and he'll just take me a whole different route, okay? So I'm giving y'all the prescriptive text. This is the formula so that you can bring peace and blessings, y'all, to a home, okay? So I'm going to be back. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. Make sure if you need help, please don't stay silent. If you've dealt with trauma and you've been shut down, you can book a call with me, send me an email. I'll answer you. And let me help you, basically, okay, on your journey of healing, okay? Because everybody needs somebody, right? And you just can't stay by yourself forever. You can't stay by yourself forever, but that's what trauma will do. Trauma will try to shut you down so you'll be in isolation forever. And, you know, so you won't trust anybody. And so you won't move on with your life. That's what trauma will actually do, you know. And so if you're not wise, and if you don't know how the enemy operate in deception, he allows certain things, you know, he uses certain, I would say, individuals in your life to try to keep you in this place, you know, of not moving forward in God, in the things of God, so you can have the things of God, right? So, listen. Anyway, 5 means change. And anything that grow has to change. With change comes growth. If you don't grow, you're going to die. Y'all get the picture. I'm sleepy over here. I worked so hard, so I'm about to go to sleep early tonight, okay? Because I'm literally like running on fumes right now. Because I'm such a night owl.